Choosing a bankruptcy attorney can be a challenging task, especially at such a troublesome time. They need to be able to work out the best arrangement for your situation. Here are 5 things that you should do before choosing a bankruptcy attorney. 1. Check their experience. Filing for bankruptcy can be difficult, so you need to make sure that you choose someone with experience. Just because a bankruptcy attorney is practicing does not mean that they are good. You should ask about the outcomes of the cases that they have handled. 2. Check for their specialization. Many bankruptcy attorneys work in solo practices and as part of small firms. You need to take a look at the cases that they handle regularly. If you find an attorney who handles a lot of Chapter 7 cases, and your case is Chapter 13, then you should look elsewhere. 3. Compare the cost of the services. Most bankruptcy attorneys will offer you free initial consultations. In the consultation, you should try to find out exactly what filing for bankruptcy with them would cost you. 4. Ask the right questions. Draw up a thorough list of questions that you would like to ask. Are they certified? How many bankruptcy cases do they handle annually? Who will be handling your case? What time frame will you be looking at? 5. Pay attention to the communication. Try to work out how good the bankruptcy attorney that you are speaking to is at communicating. Do they give you clear and concise answers when you ask questions? Finding an attorney who can provide support with your bankruptcy case can be difficult. There are some different factors that you need to keep in mind to choose the right one. If you are currently looking for a bankruptcy attorney who can handle your situation expertly and professionally and deal with any concerns that you may have, contact us today to receive a free consultation.